Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Daniel in Dublin. Today another trip day. We are in the Wicklow Mountains and actually I'm driving around and try to discover new beautiful places. Today weather is nice, last few days was heavy rain, what was impossible to go anywhere and just discovering new things. Still some museum and the places where you can go inside is still closed until end of this month. From next month everything will be reopened again and we can go again to some whiskey distillery, museum, but until that we just need to wait for the good weather like now to just drive and get another amazing Irish experience. This place have a name, Iron Bridge. It's small river here, as always in a Wicklow mountain. All rivers looks like Guinness brown, dark brown color. Looks really cool. I will drive little more around to see more amazing places, and it's beautiful and very warm. Actually, it's around 20 degrees. Without wind will be super Spanish weather now. Way now in the Wicklow Mountain on the way to Glendalough. It's getting very windy here. Weather in the mountains changing very fast and very easy. I'm just walking around because when I was here last time it wasn't even car park here, and now we can have some nice walk paths and really nice car park. Just short walk around to see how the place looks like. Another part of St. Kevin's Way. I'm really surprised. It's lots of the walk paths here and bridges. Everything looks really cool, really pretty. Wicklow Mountains are absolutely stunning, but I didn't know you can actually walk all this way with the walk path like this one. Super cool. Until Glendalough. Very good idea. Very good for tourism, for people who love the climbing. Very good, I really like it. Mountain walk was amazing, but was very windy and very cloudy. And of course the best part today will be strawberry farm in the cow house. And today I discovered in the berry farm also some rock art, and I will buy this beautiful, it's not painting actually, with the white sheep, what I showed you before. Looks super cool. Now I'm changing scenery completely. We are in a Ross Lane strand on the beach, because of course the beach is my favorite place in the world. Doesn't matter where, but beach is the beach. And here it's just lovely, very crowded, close to the car park as always, but if you walk like 1 kilometer there, you have a peace and quiet. And also you can see from here the Ross Lane Europort with the boat and huge stand line over there. Last part of my trip today is shopping in Tesco, and after Tesco in Arklow I will be back home and chilling, watching TikTok. Yeah, I need to tell you, I'm super huge fan of the TikTok, but I tell you about this little more when I finish my shopping. Weather changing today like every 20 minutes. Now it's rain and it's cloudy again. I'm already at home, like almost at home, and here it's cloudy and very dark, kind of similar weather like I have in the mountains. Again, weather beside the sea is always better, and now when I'm little higher than beach, it's cloudy and it's dark, but it's already 7 o'clock. It's still very bright like for 7 o'clock, but weather it's not that good like I show you on the Ross Lane. Okay, I just want to tell you on the very end about the TikTok. I discovered TikTok like few days ago. I was sure TikTok it's a platform for people who singing. It's kind of karaoke style. You have lyrics, you have music, and you need to sing. I'm not singing, and better if I'm not singing, nobody need to listen that, because that can be actually very tragical and very traumatic experience for everyone. And I don't know lyrics, and even my favorite songs and my favorite artist songs what I know really well, and songs what I'm listening sometimes 100 times per day, I don't know lyric because I don't focus on it. It's not really important for me know every word. I don't need it, and I don't remember. And it's very funny because always if I need to sing even for myself, like even in my mind, my lyric is just to have something what sounds kind of similar but don't need to be true at all. Why I never touched the TikTok, because it was not the point. But after that I downloaded TikTok a few days ago and I started watching. Yes, and yesterday I was in bed at 5 o'clock in the morning because I start watching TikToks, and it's lots of crap what I don't really like it, and I don't really like stupid things, prank stuff. It's not funny for me. It's like weirdo. It's a lots to cleaning after, and cleaning everything, house and clothes and everything. I'm not sure it's really funny when somebody put full cake on your face. No, it's not. Like maybe it was funny 100 years ago for me, but now it's not really. And this type of stuff it's not really for me, but I tag as my favorite travel, and travel, lifestyle, and over 40s. And this is three things what I'm watching. And actually it's very interesting, lots of people showing landscapes, places where they are, or food, and this is super cool. And I started kind of the same stuff. Wherever I'm going, I just doing short, like 30 seconds TikTok, and I like it. I enjoying myself, and as all my social media, it's mostly to keeping memories together and have another place where I can just have more photos and videos, and it's very easy to editing, to put some music. I really like it. I try to keep this TikTok far away from me because it's so many interesting things to see, and people visiting so many beautiful places all the time and posting like fabulous China or something in like view from apartment from Dubai and stuff like that. It's really inspiring, it's really beautiful, I really like it, and I'm watching more and more and more. And of course there's lots of weird challenges. I'm horrible dancer probably as well. I never try, but I don't want. And I know everybody dancing, like, you know, funny thing and stuff like that. I'm not on the level yet to do any of these challenges. I did Vogue challenge because it was easy. I have the photos, I just put the photo. But I don't really want to do parodies and stuff like that. It's definitely not for me yet, but maybe one day. If you want to see my TikTok, you are more than welcome. It's Daniel R in Dublin, like my Facebook page, and like my Instagram, Daniel R in Dublin. You can see what I'm doing there. You can see videos mostly for my short trip. It's always something more. If you like my lifestyle and the trips what I do all the time on the TikTok, you can see even more, because it's easier just, you know, to do 30 or 40 seconds video, put music and post on the TikTok, than just upload and work on it to have on the YouTube channel. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching me today. We did a really good trip from the mountains to the sea, and weather changed like 5 times already. I really like it. Was really productive day. I love this stuff what I bought in Greenberry Farm, the painting. It's not painting, it's like art from the rocks. In Tesco I just bought because my shopping is already at home. I just bought Ariel to wash my clothes tomorrow, and some bread for tomorrow for breakfast, and eggs because I have a poached eggs for breakfast for tomorrow. That's all. I didn't do haul because I don't see the point to show like 3 things. Okay guys, thank you very much one more time. Have a great day, and see you very shortly in another vlog. Thank you. On my Instagram a few days ago, I posted a photo of strawberry with the white and milk chocolate, and this strawberry was absolutely super delicious. On the very end of this vlog I show you how I do strawberry in chocolate, and of course everybody do regular strawberry with melted chocolate, just dip it around, but I show you my fancy style with cognac, cherry, and with the whole decoration I show you from begin. I think will be kind of nice experience because I didn't saw anyone to do fancy stuff strawberry. I think this can be kind of interesting. You are more than welcome to see the last part of this vlog today.